Hi everyone, it's Mary. Welcome back to With Love Designs. Today I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but wanted to share my birthday haul with you guys. It's just from Waffle Flower. I've been in search of really cool sentiments. So this is the stuff I bought with Waffle Flower for my birthday. Came in this package here. I bought a bunch of sentiments. So this one here, I already had it. When I bought it originally, I didn't buy the dies with it, and now I actually finally bought the dies with it. I think it's going to be really cool to just be able to die cut the actual sentiments and then just paste it on my project. So that's one of them. Another one is this happy anniversary, happy anniversary, and then just a bunch of little, I take it out of the plastic so it's not so shiny. So here, what I like about them too is they come with their own container, so that's really cool to have. And it's still shiny, but that's what the dies. Well, that's what the stamp set looks like, and then it comes with its own dies as well. So this one is a bundle, and I'll cut these happy anniversary with script and then just normal. So thought that would be good, like for a project like this one that I did recently. I could put like happy anniversary here and they just stand out. I actually cut one out just so you can see it. That's another one. I also did happy retirement. Very rare we have actual retirement sets, so was kind of very happy to get this one, just because a lot of people are retiring. No, not a lot, but usually when I have coworkers who are retiring, I never know what to put because I don't have the sentiments, and this one's gonna help it make it a lot easier. Again, just opening it up so you guys can see the packaging, what it looks like. And I was wishing you all the best in your future, in your adventure. So that's a very good one. Thank you for all your service. That's a good one for military, from all of us, for coworkers. You've earned it. Coworkers or family, you've earned it. It's been a pleasure working with you. From the whole gang, relax and enjoy. You made it. Finally, woohoo. You leave big shoes to fill. Let the fun begin. You'll be missed, and we couldn't be happier for you. And cheers. So again, very cool. It comes with the dies as well. And this Waffle Flower, they have a front, so it's 2 layers. So you put your stamp up front, and then you put your dies in the back. And you know, I'll put magnets on this. I'll put them in a magnet form, but it does cut the happy retirement and the happy retirement scripted, and then just the regular. So that's another set, and this is a thank you set. So I like the 2 different options. And this is, my dear, a huge thank you from all of us, dear friends, so very much. You're the best. Very much from the bottom of my heart. XO. You didn't have to, but you did, and it means the world to me, for your love and support, for your kindness, for your generosity, and more than words you can say. And my friend. And you got these cute little hearts. Same thing. It comes in a awesome envelope, a sleeve, and then the thank you cutouts. And my last one, I did the happy birthday. Even though I have it here originally from my set here, which is this sentiment is really great to have. I obviously go to it often, but it's got Christmas, birthday, congrats, hello, prayers, best wishes, love you always, thinking of you, thank you, and get well soon. Like, it's a very good set for, you know, to be able to get them in one set is pretty awesome. And now that I have the dies, which I'm so excited because it's been a couple years. I don't know why I didn't buy the die with it. But here I am buying it after the fact, and I'm just loving it. The fact that, you know, I get to use it. There's your Merry Christmas. And then your hello. Just really cool. Again, you can stamp it out, cut it, and then you can, again, put it here. So you can put it here. Merry Christmas. It's just nice that it gets to be used. And now that I don't have a case for it, but I will make it work. And this one, Waffle Flower did an amazing. They gave you the magnet that comes with it. So very affordable too, and it's pretty. It's decorated. It's not just a regular magnet. And I don't know. They did quick shipping too. I was quite surprised, impressed with them too. It's my first time buying through them online. Every time I bought their product, it's always been at my local craft store. So it's nice to know how quickly they ship. So I bought it on Thursday. It shipped on Friday, two business day turnaround, and then got to me on Monday. So I like companies that ship quickly, just because, you know, you want to be able to play with your stuff as soon as you get them. This is the happy birthday one. So same thing. I'm unpacking them so I can prep them for my storage. I take them out of the package, and here I'll just put it in here like so, and then grab a magnet. This one didn't come in a magnet, but then I'll put it in the back. I'll put a magnet back here and then put it in the back. So again, right, it comes with their own packaging. Like they thought it through, and it's just really nice. And then they gave me, I guess this is their new stuff, the butterfly blossom. So really cool. Excited to play with these. I will show you guys some of this cut out and then do some comparison. So let me do some of those things and I'll get right back to you. Okay, I am back. So this set here, like again, was this set here is called Essential Sentiments. So if you're looking for a good sentiment, I recommend this one. If you like fancy scripts and pretty scripts, these are very pretty. There's script and then there's just the regular writing. I like, again, this is like a multi-purpose sentiment, so it's not just you know, Christmas or birthdays, it's everything. And here they are cut out. I've got the hello, love you always, happy birthday, thank you, Merry Christmas, thinking of you, best wishes, get well soon, congrats to you, and then keeping you in my prayers. So these sentiments are really nice. So I have a sample card here, which I'll be making a video on, but you could put, you know, keeping you in my prayers, or you can put in this box that I made, this face 3D that I made, you know, you can put it here and it pops up. So very nice. It's not too small, not too big, just perfect size in my opinion. Then you've got the happy birthday there, and then you've got happy birthday here, and lastly, this is a I think it's a 6x6. This is a shadow box that I made a while ago, but it's a yep, it's a 6x6. And so you can either have it here instead of my little sentiment that I have in there. I can make it even better by having it popped up. and it's even better because it's high up. I have been looking for a while for a really good sentiment stuff with dies in it so that, you know, I can use it and it's more versatile, that I'm not just able to stamp it. See how small that one is compared to this one? So it's really nice. And then, or you can leave it up here or here, wherever you want to put it. So that's these dies here, the sentiments here. And again, the dice, the whole stamp combo is what they call it, is the Essential Sentiments by Waffle Flower, J.J. Bolton. So, and then on this one here, this is the Happy Anniversary one, just like the other one. Happy Anniversary, you could put it here, or up here, or down here. So it's very nice. So you've got that Happy Anniversary, then you've got Happy Anniversary if you just want it more simple, and then comparison to this one here, just a regular A2 card, and a Happy Anniversary there, just for size comparison if you guys are looking into purchasing it. I know for me it's like they didn't have enough samples of these, and so I want to kind of be able to share it with you guys, that how big they are, and just, you know, it's really nice. So that's that one. And then lastly, again, I'm bringing this back in, and you've got Happy Anniversary or Happy Anniversary. For me, I don't mind it sticking out as far as it does. It does still fit when you fold it. It does still fit. I don't mind it sticking out because you are there to celebrate the occasion, right? So this one's Happy Anniversary normal, and then the beautiful script. And that stamp set is the, let me find it. It's called the Happy Anniversary Duo. Sorry, I said combo earlier, but it's called the Duo with the die sets. It's a combo. It's fairly priced, so pretty good set there. And then we've got the Happy Retirement one all cut out. It's really nice. And just the regular version. And so again, for demonstration purposes, you can put it here, Happy Retirement, Happy Retirement, or here, Happy Retirement, or Happy Retirement. So for this one, like I was saying, I don't have, oh, one more. You've got your Happy Retirement, and then the really pretty Happy Retirement. And so for this one, how I was telling you guys, I don't have any like scripty. So this I made for my parents for their anniversary, which is today. So this one, I will make this card with you guys soon. But it looks like this, and then you pop it open, and it's a 3D. It has a little vase and tulips, and of course a gift card for them. So this is what I was making, and I was like, I would really wish I had that die set. So now I can, if I had it, I would have just done that. It would have been just, you know, one-time deal. Where this one here is a small little die. I cut it a couple times so it would have more dimension, and then the anniversary. Not that that's bad, it's just, this just is for ease, it's stamp and cut. And of course with this die too, it has those little sentiments as well that you can use as like enjoy your special day to my favorite person, and so on and so forth. And here's one for me, my mom and dad. So I might just have to remake that card and give that to my parents. All right. And so we did the Happy Retirement. The Happy Retirement is just what it says, Happy Retirement Duo, again by J.J. Bolton. And then we've got the happy birthday stamp set. So we've got, again, regular A2 card, happy birthday. Just, it's really nice. It's an instant, for me, it's an instant wow factor, I guess. Just maybe because I'm excited. You've got this pretty script, or you've got this one as well. With these, you can color, you know, the way you want to color. So for example, if I wanted to use this as a happy birthday, because it has all these colors, I could tie it in with the letters, with the markers. So that would make it even look better. So this one is called Happy Birthday Sentiment by J.J. Bolton as well. So just one more comparison for you guys. Happy birthday, or happy birthday. And then of course the last one is the thank you. And this was called the Thank You, Just Thank You, by J.J. Bolton as well. And regular script, thank you. Pretty letterings. I tend to like the two different scripts. So thank you, thank you. And then of course, again, we've got thank you here. And thank you here. So, and lastly, we've got our little 3D project here, and you can put thank you, like a bouquet of thank yous, and just thank you. So, that is what I got for my birthday. I enjoyed shopping these. I was going to get more, but I think these big scripts are really nice because I have a tendency to get really small ones just because of the kind of cards I make, which are these here, but at the same time, these do just as good. If you really just want to make a big statement and, you know, decorate something and then put a big happy anniversary, for me, it's a winner. But you've got these little ones too. Like I said, this is great sentiment because it has so many options. You have so many options. You don't have to just, you know, buy different stamps to, you know, have different sentiments. I love that they have mixed it for everybody. So you have all the options. It's not just for one particular holiday. It's for a lot. And I really appreciate that. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.